Hi guys, in front of me is Doogee V Max and let me show you how to add Google account to this device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select passwords and accounts, and here click on add account. Now select Google, make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi, and now provide your email address or phone number, whatever is connected with your Google account. In my case it is email address. And tap on next. Now provide the password, so let me do it off the screen. And as only the password is entered, just tap on next. And now just mark if this device is yours or if this phone belongs to your kid. Tap on next, then click on I agree to agree to all the terms and conditions. You also have to accept some Google services. And that's it. As you can see, from now on it is added to your device so you can smoothly use it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.